Hello guys and welcome back to NFTGG. Today we are going to be unboxing Mission 2 crates from Colonize Mars. Okay, so we are going to first start off by opening the standard supply crates. As you can see here, I have 5 and I have also 6 ultimate crates. So yes, I did not get the dark matter crate. I was really hoping I was going to get a dark matter crate, but it was only a 20% chance, and I did see a few people that I talked to on Discord get their dark matters and they only had 2 or 3 sketches, so I am pretty happy that people I know got them. Alright, let's see what we pulled. Let's see. Okay, inflatable. Female scientist, male engineer, female scientist, male scientist, male scientist, printing robot, female engineer, laboratory, greenhouse, sleeping pod. Okay, got a few shadows in there. I'm not too unhappy. Oh, and another shadow, perfect. Oh, that's the stainless steel. Nice. We got a stainless steel in the standard crate. I'm happy with that. Nice. A few shadows, we're getting there. Pretty good. Yes, we got gold. We got a gold in here. Look at this. We got a gold female engineer. That's so good in the standard crate, guys. Getting a gold engineer. Yes, let's go. We got a good pull on that one. Come on, give me some gold. I'll be happy with some stainless steel, honestly, in these standard crates. 2 shadows in a row. Nice. 3 shadows. Nice. A lot of commons. Wow, the cruise ship looks cool. Wait, what was that last one? Was that stainless steel? I think we got a stainless steel in this pull. Let's go back. Yes, we got a stainless steel. Oh, the stainless steel now have animation. That's so nice. Good job, team. Alright, let's see. Did we get any more golds in the standard crates? Common, shadow, common. Common. Come on. Yeah, stainless steel. We got another stainless steel, guys. And a shadow. And a common. Stainless steel. 2 stainless steels in 1 crate. I am happy with standard crates because I know how rare they are going to be. Oh, yes. We start off with a shadow. 2 commons. 3 commons. Another common. Shadow. Nice. Common. Come on. 1 stainless steel. Give me a stainless steel, baby. Come on, stainless steel. We only got 2 shadows in that. That's not good. That was the worst of all 5. Yeah, we got 2 shadows, I think, in that whole crate. Okay, we left the standard crates on a bad note, but there are still 6 ultimate crates to go. Oh, don't lag now. Please don't lag now. I don't know if you can see it on the recording, but this is just laggy. Hopefully that's a good sign. Maybe it's ownership. Come on, Mission 2. Give me something good. If we get 1 or 2 dark matters in all 6 crates, I will be delighted. Come on. I'm starting off with shadows in the stainless steel. Common, shadow, stainless steel, common, stainless steel, common, or shadow, stainless steel. Lots of stainless steel, common, shadow. Woo! Dark matter! Yes! What did we get? We got dark matter female scientist. Nice. Mint number 99. Perfect. First ultimate crate, we get a dark matter. Look at that. Give me number mission 2. Alright, give me some yes, we got a gold. We got a gold stainless steel. Oh yes, 3D printing robot dark matter. Let's go. We got another dark matter pull. That's amazing. 2 for 2 on dark matter pulls on the crates. Perfect. Oh my god. We got lots of stainless steel, but we also got the 3D printing robot 3D printing robot dark matter. That's so good. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Where's it gone? Where did you go? It's like the 3rd card. Wow. Look at that. It's badass. It looks really good. They did a great job on the Mission 2 artwork. Look at that. Let's go. Give me something good. Okay, we got a gold. Nice. 2 golds. Okay, we got lots of Oh, nice. We got lots of stainless steel. So even if there's no dark matter card here. Okay, no dark matter card, but look, we got a gold and how many stainless steel? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 7. We got 2 golds and 7, 8. We got 8 stainless steel in that pull. That's good. Even though there's no dark matter, that's a good pull. Did we get 3? 1 stainless steel. 2 stainless steel. 3, 4, 5. 6 stainless steel so far. Okay, not the best pull, I'm not gonna lie. We got 6 stainless steel, but we got nothing above that, I believe. Okay, anything good. Stainless steel, stainless steel. Steel, steel. Steel, steel, steel. Lots of steels. Another 2 steels. Come on, give me some gold. Oh my gosh. Yes, we got a gold. We ended it with a gold on this pull, guys. So let's see. I think we got 10 stainless steel and 1 gold. Let's just double check. 1, 2, 12, 13. We got 13 stainless steel in that pull. That's really good. Okay, I'm happy with that pull. And we got a gold to top it off. Whew. Okay, last one. Let's see what we pull. Stainless steel, stainless steel. Another stainless steel. Come on, give me dark matter. Yes, we got a gold cruise ship. Stainless steel. Come on, baby. Ah, okay. Okay, we got a gold in that pull. That's pretty good. In terms of mission 2, the dark matter cards are very hard to pull. So the fact we got 2, I'm happy. We didn't get any ownership, so I'm sad about that. But we got some nice golds. Oh, that looks so good. Takes 4 stainless steel now to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an automatic upgrade to a gold, I would assume. Alright guys, I'm going to start crafting right now, and then I might do a quick recap at the end to see what we have in total for the entire pull. Alright guys, so I just finished crafting. It took me about 45 minutes to get through all of that, and we ended up with 5 new dark matter cards from mission 2, 9 golds, 18 stainless steel, and then a bunch of shadows and common. So I'm pretty happy. It was a pretty good turnout. I do wish I got ownership, and maybe in the future we will, but for now, not yet. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more, and mission 3 will be on the way in a few weeks, hopefully before they launch staking in September, but we'll know more about that in the future. Thank you so much. Peace.